My name is Veronica Davis, and I heard about the Here to Help Foundation through an organization called the Covenant House Michigan. The Covenant House Michigan is a homeless shelter for youth ages 18 to 24. During my stay at the Covenant House Michigan, I set goals for myself, such as moving, as well as purchasing a vehicle and learning how to budget my money better. Ms. Campbell and Mr. Simpson, the managers at the Covenant House, they seen that I was consistent with my goals, so they showed me that the Here to Help Foundation helps with purchasing used vehicles, which came at the best time because this winter was like really bad. We had -5-degree weather. It's cold. I was catching the bus to work. I was walking. Sometimes I was riding the bike to work. So the car came in at like perfect timing. The car was a really good condition. It was a Chrysler Concord 2004. It had 90,000 miles on it. So I really, really got blessed with that. I think that the Here to Help Foundation is a really, really good program. If you're trying to succeed in life and better yourself, they're willing to help as long as you're willing to help yourself. Um, since I've had my car, it's been easier for me to get back and forth to my job downtown at Quicken Loans. It's been easier for me to get back and forth to school, make appointments, and I actually just moved out of the Covenant House last Saturday, so that was really helpful in helping me move back and forth my stuff. So I just really would recommend the Here to Help Foundation if you're trying to succeed in life. And that's all. I like Here to Help Foundation.